Hello guys, my name is Richel Attafuah. Welcome to today's video. So I know for some time I've been doing video on faith. I'm doing a little bit of tech videos and also doing some relationship videos, but we're going back to the Python series. Yes, I'm super excited that we're going back to the Python series. So if you've not yet watched the beginner Python series, I'm going to put the playlist here. Do well to watch it. It's short videos. Watch it, comment, let me know your thoughts on it. Reach out on LinkedIn if you need help with anything, and I'm ready to help you. So what next? Thank you for asking. So we are going back to the intermediate Python series. That is what we are going to start coming up next week, and we are going to be doing a lot of coding, a lot of code reviews, a lot of intensive Python studies that is going to help you move from the beginner level to someone who can actually write code and understand written code. So I just hope you guys are excited and happy as I am to start pushing these videos out there, making them very simple, easy, and very understandable for you guys. And I really hope you guys love it. So do well to subscribe, share the good news to your friends that the intermediate Python series is coming, and you don't want to miss any of those videos because they are going to be good. I want you to comment down below what particular topics that you want to be covered in the intermediate Python series, or if there's something in the beginner Python series you didn't really understand and you like me to explain it. Do just put it in the comment section and I'm going to be sure to reply, make a video on it, and to help you. Don't forget to share this video, guys, because you want a lot of people to be able to benefit and learn from this. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch and be here today. Do have a blessed and a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you want me to cover in the intermediate Python series. Bye.